got to our Airbnb in Pula. We're very excited. So we were actually supposed to be heading to Rome this month, but decided to cancel because they may be locked down soon. So we found this place in Pula and we're very, very excited. This is the living room. So beautiful.
I get to tell you the tour.
And
then here's me and Layla's room.
This big size.
Sehr chaud. And then this is the patio where you can open up the windows. And it's good for tea. And
you have a guest while you're showering.
Hi.
Weird.
The best view of all, though, what we're most excited about is this.
The arena was built in the 1st century. One of the oldest preserved buildings in the Roman Empire. It is the 6th largest amphitheater in the world. A lot of arena fights and gladiatorial battles were held here until the 5th century. The emperor at the time, I guess, decided it was a bad idea and stopped the gladiators from operating here. And then there was some sort of gradual decline. People started taking stones to build dwellings, as happens sometimes with these old buildings. I know that the Salona amphitheater had people ravaging it all the time, taking materials. So that happened until like the 19th century, and then they started preserving it, which is pretty cool because this place used to hold 20,000 people, but now it's visited by over 400,000 people a year.
Probably not this year, though.
Probably not this year.
Definitely not this year.
We're gonna head down to the exhibition. Not sure what's down there, but I am only slightly disappointed in the facilities.
There's not a lot
because
of
there's not a lot.
information.
Yeah, there's not a lot of information.
And you pay to get in.
And being such a well-preserved amphitheater, I thought that there might be a little more, but it's cool nonetheless. This yellow portion is where we are now. You can see where it's underneath the arena, the portion of the arena where the battles would have taken place.
Today we're gonna go explore Castel, which was an old fort. It's supposed to have beautiful views of the city, so
Yeah, panoramic.
let's go check it out.
It appears that they are not
Very foggy.
open. We wanted to go inside and check it out, but we're gonna take a look around anyway. See if there's anything to read / look at.
I found some flowers and I'm gonna make them into a flower crown. And I got my pretty crown that I made out of daisies.
This fortress was built in 1630, according to the sign. Something I've noticed at this fortress, as well as the split fortress, is that it's very similar to some of the ones that were built in America during that time period where they have the star shape. Apparently there was a French architect who created this design, and then everyone kind of copied it because it was super effective. We have stumbled upon some ruins. Well, we're actually trying not to stumble upon it. We're trying to get down the hill. I believe it was a theater of some sort. Do we know what this is?
I think it's a, I saw online it's a old arena,
A Roman theater, maybe?
maybe.
Because it's small,
Yeah,
but it's super Roman looking.
yeah, for sure.
We are standing on what once was part of the old city wall. There's a gate right over there, and then there's also a gate in the other direction called the Hercules Gate. One of the really cool things about being in Pula is that there are a lot of like kind of hidden treasures or gems, yeah, that you wouldn't necessarily look for. There is a floor mosaic from the 2nd to 3rd century of Roman rule, like just behind this dentist office, that was uncovered during a World War II bombing of some row homes. It's really well preserved and it's really, really beautiful.
This video is brought to you by Fame.